Welcome all to an in-depth video about how to use WordPress to build stunning websites. WordPress is the simplest, most popular way to create your own website or blog. In fact, WordPress powers over 38% of all the websites on the internet. WordPress is an open source content management system, which means that anyone can use or modify the WordPress software for free. A content management system is basically a tool that makes it easy to manage important aspects of your website, like content, without needing to know anything about programming or coding. WordPress can be used for making any kind of website, be it business, e-commerce, blogs, portfolios, social networks, pretty much anything that you can conceptualize. Let's now log into WordPress and try to create a post of our own. In this video, we are going to explore the pages and the posts option from the admin portal. Let's log into the portal now. We will be using the training at Bishop page for our purpose. As you can see, once you log into the account, you will be greeted with the admin page of WordPress, wherein you can access different website building functions. The first page that you see is known as the dashboard. The dashboard assembles some links to get started. Customization of the website can be done from the dashboard itself. Homepage, blogs, and about page can be customized from this particular portal. The dashboard will provide a wide array of options for you to check and choose from. However, we are going to be covering majorly posts and pages, but you can feel free to explore all the other tabs available in the admin panel according to your needs. Let's click on Pages on the left-hand panel and click on All Pages to access the pages on the website. You can start customizing the pages that you require on the website from this particular tab. You can click on Add a Page and select a particular title, insert photos, embed videos, and add content whichever works best for you. And when finished, you can just click on Save Draft or Publish. Now please remember that adding a page will create a new section onto your website altogether, and a new page where different media can be represented. However, for this example, we are going to make changes and publish a post on our Training at Bishop page itself, which is already created for us. In the pages dashboard, you can see the author, the date which was published in, and some other categories which serves the purpose of going through the details of the particular page. Now, if you want to access posts, similarly on the left hand side at the top, you will be able to see the post option as well. So you can go ahead and click on the post option and click on All Posts to access the posts on your website. Now you can start new posts or edit old posts on this particular tab itself. Just if you want to create a new one, you can just scroll up and click on Add New. This will lead you to a new page wherein you can add a title, you can edit the content, add content, as well as select and publish accordingly. The first step which we are going to do right now is to add a particular title. For this video purpose, we are going to use training video for WordPress. As you can see below that, you will have multiple publish options. You can see that the status is still as draft, the visibility is public, and the other ones we are going to come back to it as well in a later point in time. Now let's go ahead and quickly add a sample content in the body, which is going to be basically the content of the post. For now, we're going to just add a sample content here. You can also choose to add a particular media to your post. You can either add an image or a video, whichever works best for your particular purpose. You can click on Select Files and choose from an offline source from your particular desktop, or you can add it from a media library. Now, if you could scroll down on this particular page, you will see that there are multiple options available to you. The first one is the focus key phrase. This is going to help with the searchability of the post online. So if you're just going to like add a random word, say video for now, and select the get related key phrases, you are going to see what are the top words that can be used to make this post more accessible. Below that is Google Preview, which is going to show you a snapshot about how that particular post is going to show up on a mobile result, search result, as well as a desktop search result. Below that is SEO title. We can add different SEO titles to make it ensure that we are maximizing the use of SEO marketing over here. And below that is metadata preview as well, which is going to allow you to add descriptions to the respective search results. Now, if you scroll up, you will also see the permalink option, which is basically going to serve as the URL to your respective post. You can edit that as well. And if you click on View Post, it is going to lead you to a new page, which is going to show you how the post is going to appear to the respective audience. So now we can just cancel this respective edit that we have made, because we're not going to go and publish that, but we are going to see a different post which was made prior to this particular exercise and see it as a sample. Okay, so now to view the posts, we'll go back to the post database. Here, let's open one sample post. Let's say the important skills for client retention, and you can see the interface is pretty much the same that we have seen in the prior one when we had added a new post altogether. So the first thing that you're going to see is the link, which is the URL to the respective post. You can see that the status of the post is published already. Now, if you scroll down, you can see that in the content there is an image. Then there are multiple texts, which serves as the body and the content for the post. You can see that the SEO that we're going to use is soft skill for now, and you can see how it's going to pop up in the mobile result and desktop result as well. So this is a post that was already made prior to this exercise, and you can see that pretty much everything else is filled out on this particular post edit, and you can also get feedback about the SEO analysis. If you click on view post, it is going to redirect you to the new page wherein you can see how the post is going to appear to your respective audience. And if you can see that there is the format of the page includes for the audience to be able to leave a reply or a comment. So this way you can create pretty much any sort of a content or a media on your respective website, and you can feel free to explore more tutorials online, as well as go around and check the backend and the backend panel of WordPress to be able to get yourself more acquainted with how to use WordPress to build suitable websites. If you have any sort of queries, you can always rewind the video and watch the parts which need a bit more attention. Thank you all for tuning in, and I wish you the best of luck.